In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion with Claude AI. By the end, you'll have Claude linked to your Notion workspace so it can reference your notes, docs, and wikis directly, saving you time and clicks. First, open your Claude account in your browser and sign in. You should see your usual Claude home screen. Look toward the top or upper corner for your profile icon. Click that profile icon to open the menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to Claude's settings area where you can manage integrations, preferences, and account options. Inside settings, find the section labeled Connectors. Connectors are how Claude securely links to outside tools, like Notion, so it can access the content you allow. Click Connectors to open the management page. From here, click Browse Connectors. This will display the list of available integrations you can add to Claude. In the search bar, type Notion. When the Notion connector appears, click it to open its details. You'll see a brief description and a Connect button. Click Connect. At this point, Claude will guide you through on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Follow those prompts carefully. Typically, you'll be redirected to Notion to grant permission. You may be asked to choose your Notion workspace and confirm which pages or databases Claude can access. If you prefer tighter control, select specific pages rather than allowing access to everything. You can always adjust these permissions later in Notion or in Claude's connectors page. Once you confirm, you'll be taken back to Claude and the Notion connector should show as connected. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page. From here on, when you chat with Claude, you can reference your Notion content by name, and Claude will use what it's been granted access to. This is especially helpful for drafting summaries, finding information across notes, or generating outlines based on your existing docs. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the Notion connector doesn't appear in search, double-check your internet connection and try again. If permission screens don't load, sign out and back into Notion in a separate tab, then repeat the connect step. And if you ever want to disconnect, return to Settings, open Connectors, and remove Notion from the list. That's it. Open your Claude account, go to your profile, open Settings, choose Connectors, browse Connectors, search for Notion, click Connect and follow the on-screen prompts. You're ready to put Claude and Notion to work together.